Wizard is opened as a pop-up window. It will not store any data in the database. It is used for temporary storage. So for this purpose, we can use transient model. So this is the basic idea you need to keep in mind before you creating Wizard. So let me show the code. So first of all, we want to create a folder called Wizard inside your new module. So declaring Wizard is easy as declaring normal module. The only difference is the class definition. We are using the transient model class here that is used for temporary storage. And this is my py file, and also we want to create a XML file in the same Wizard folder. The XML file is used for loading the Wizard. Here we are give the name as type, that is ir.actions.act window. So the XML file is used for launch the Wizard. So Wizard are opened as ir.actions.act window, and also with the field target given the value new, it opened the Wizard view in the pop-up window. Here I call Wizard from menu items. So for that, I want to create a new XML file in views. This is the code for that. Here the parent attribute is the XML ID of the parent menu item. Here I call the Wizard from menu item. For that, I want to create a new XML file in views. So this is the code for that. Here the name indicates the menu item name, and the parent refers to the parent menu item's XML ID. So also we want to create security for this Wizard, and this is the security for the Wizard, and also include this changes all the XML files inside the manifest. And after performing all the changes, update the module and check it. So this is all about Wizard in Odoo. Thank you.